Hi, you must be looking for a mortgage broker or looking for a mortgage. I'm so glad you came here. My name's Deb Murdoch. I'm an A&P mortgage broker with TMG, the mortgage group. I am one of the top producers in Canada and I have a lot of experience. I think when you look for a mortgage broker, even just mortgages, you should look for a mortgage broker first. Pick them for a reason. And the reason that you should pick me as your mortgage broker, I have 5 reasons. One is experience, my passion, my connections, my process, and my communication abilities. So there's 5 reasons you should come to me as a mortgage broker. My experience, I've been in the industry for 8 years and I am a high producer. I have, right from the get-go, been a high producer. I really care about what I do and that I do it well. So my experience lends well to the different types of products that are out there. I love to learn and I can do every kind of mortgage out there possible. Also, my second reason is passion. I do have a passion for the business. When I started in this industry, I had no background whatsoever, and I told my manager I'd give him a year to learn the business and whatever. After 3 months, I told him I was in. Because I've been in the industry for so long, and I am a high producer, I get special rates that perhaps other brokers would not get because of the volume of business that I do. And not only just the connections to the underwriter and my relationships to the different underwriters. I have access to over 20 lenders. And I do have favorite lenders, but it doesn't mean that I use them if it's not a good product for my clients that are coming to me. I have a really good process in place. I have 2 assistants. I also have a co-worker that when I'm not in the office, they're picking up the phones. One of my assistants, I actually license her. She is a broker in her own right. She chooses to do the back end of the business. So it's very comforting to know that if I'm not in the office or away on a holiday or just out of the office at a seminar, she's picking up the phone and she's mitigating everything that needs to be done. And then the last but certainly not least is communication. I believe I'm a talker. I love to talk to people. I've been on computers for over 20 years. I am a techie. I love to email, but I believe that people shouldn't have to wait longer than 4 hours to hear back from me. So there's lots of reasons to come to me as a mortgage broker. I call it the Deb advantage. I am so engaged in this business that your mortgage becomes my mortgage. You might come to me with a certain product in mind or a certain interest rate in mind. I'll go through the process with you. Once I know you and know your details of your business, I might give a recommendation that you hadn't thought of. But at the end of the day, I'm listening to what you have to say. And if you want a certain type of product and with a certain lender, I'm definitely on my way there type thing. You should use a mortgage broker, not just because the bank won't do a deal for you. You should use a mortgage broker and then let me deal with the bank. That's what I do. I negotiate in your best interest, and it's my responsibility to get the very best deal. And with that, I'm Deb Murdoch. You can get me at debmurdoch.com or at 306-222-7900. Hope to hear from you soon.